here, soon comes one place what we were looking also for a while.
Oh, yeah.
$800 a week.
I know. That one?
No, it's coming there after we one.
So far away, but still very expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, but the land was massive. It really had a big land. But it's not something you actually need. Or want, actually.
It's so easy to drive, learn to do practice driving.
Yeah.
No,
That's actually when Krista get the student visa, we start to learn. So the house what we were looking as well at the start was $800 a week, and that's a lot. Is this one where the trucks are in here? This.
Luma. It's so old house. But the land is big, but
Yeah, it's a massive land going on in that way.
it's too expensive.
Alright, now we're going to soon see a few quite big houses.
Good morning na naman po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po kami ngayon sa may Golf Village sa may Australia. Magtutur na naman po kami, guys. Let's go.
Mababa
We went to
na yun.
Marina Bay since the rooftop bar. We went there to watch sunset and
I love Singapore, it's so clean.
Ganito nga gusto kong size. Maliit.
I think we had this
Oo.
before. I think looking forward to being on Singapore.
Yeah, and the food places up there.
Yeah, beautiful. So, Ma, look at this. This in here.
Oo.
This in here. Originally,
Oo.
wasn't this that this originally was removable? This thing.
it wasn't there. It just wasn't there.
Ah, yeah,
It was
yeah.
open.
Oh, yeah, that this was open, but then this was installed afterwards.
Now, I've got Pepsi Max. We have plain water. We have mineral water with lime. Ang daming kangaroo, guys. Yan. Ah.
Don't go too close. Don't go too close. They might be too friendly sometimes. Either they run away or then come to you, and then you have to freak out.
Oh. Habulin kayo natin, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Nagdadatingan na po sila, oh. Nakikita ba ninyo yung nakikita ko, guys? Can I go closer?
They're running away.
Ay! Nahiya sila, guys. Nahiya sila. Oh. Nahiya silang lumapit. Ang yayaman po ng mga nakatira dito, guys. Nandito po kami sa may Golf Village sa may Australia. Yan. Ang yayaman po ng mga nakatira rito. May mga kanya-kanyang mga... Anong tawag dyan, guys? Yung nasa tuktok ng ano? Nasa tuktok ng... Nasa bubong ng bahay. Solar. Oo, may mga kanya-kanyang solar po yung mga bahay dito. Wow. Tignan po ninyo yung ano, bike nila, oh. Kung sa Pilipinas ito, yari na ito. Nakalakal na. Ayan guys, bike. Siguro batang may-ari nito. Yan. Dito guys, ang mga bakal na ganyan, hindi po tinatanggap ng junk shop. Kung siguro sa Pilipinas pa ito, yung mga basurero sa yung mga ngalakal sa guys, diyan sa atin sa Pilipinas, malamang marami pong mga kalakal dito. Kahit nga ho sa tinitirhan ng kapatid ko ng anak ko, ang dami pong mga bakal doon. Kaya lang pagka yun ay dinala mo sa junk shop, ikaw pang magbabayad daw sa junk shop.
Tingnan mo yun, hawakan mo
Bakit?
Yung mga tae.
May mga tae ba?
Meron.
Ayun tae na.
Mama sinumpa talaga sa tae.
Oo. Tae ng kangaroo guys, Pero mga guys, mga
Bilog-bilog na.
oo, to, yung mga ano bang tawag dito? Ang kinakain nila siguro mga bunga ng bunga ng mga damo-damo. Ang ganda ng puno na ito. Pero ito yung guys. Ito yung nandoon sa namin. Yung nilagari. Aayusin ko ngayon bukas. Ang ganda pala Nahihiya yung kangaroo guys. Ayan yung kangaroo. Naririnig ba niyo yung naririnig ko guys? Naririnig ba niyo yung naririnig ni Tala guys? Ayan
Laas ng utot ni mami.
Ayan si Lumi. Uy. Carpet. Ano bang tawag dito? What do we call this grass?
You didn't put shoes at all. Did you step any poo?
I will remove them in my...
Oh my god.
He wouldn't know it. I just tell her. She started